I am Brandy Santini. I'm from right north of New Orleans at a place called Slidell, Louisiana. This is my second time to come to Medicines of the Earth. I am here because I've been an herbal enthusiast for about 25 years. I have a little shop back home, so I'm always trying to learn more every single chance that I get. Probably some of my favorite classes was one that I just had with Teresa Boardwine because I love kitchen medicine. I love making delicious products with herbs. But I learned a lot from the Sam Hoffman, the medic side of it, treating wounds in the wild, if you will. That was super interesting for me. And then I love anything by Kat Meyer. I just think she's a beautiful person. I don't really necessarily come from a very spiritual, energetic side of herbalism. When I first learned, it was very much clinical, and I'm learning to embrace the other side, and she makes it so easy to learn that. We did a fantastic class where we went out into the landscape and we sat with different trees and tried to really embrace what the energetics were, what we were feeling, what the patterns were. It really opened my eyes to looking at herbalism from so many different facets.
Awesome.
That's it.
You have a shop?
A Green Oaks Apothecary. It's in historic Old Town Slidell. I don't have a website. We just do social media and in-house experiences where we do a lot of classes and medicine making, and then allow the community to come in. And we have lots of bulk herbs and vitamins and supplements, and we make a lot of body products too. So, but it's more of an education center is what I would say than more than anything. Green Oaks Apothecary.